How to fix MetaTrader 5 no connection. So I'm going to show you two fixes. For the first one, we want to go into our phone settings, and here we'll just search for MetaTrader 5. You want to find the application, just want to open it up like so, and here make sure cellular data is turned on, this option. If it's turned off, you want to immediately turn it on. Now, after we have done this, if it still doesn't work, the app I mean, what we will do instead is go into our iPhone storage, and here you want to find the MetaTrader app from the list. So just search for it, click on Show All, and you want to find the MetaTrader app. Now, I'll come back in a second once I find it. Okay, so I found it right here. You want to open it up, and then you just select Offload app. After you have offloaded the application, you will reinstall it, and this is just going to verify the integrity of the files and make sure that the installation is complete. So hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.